everyone, I'm going to cut these shapes into halves, wholes, fourths, and I made these shapes out of Play-Doh. You can see here. So you can use anything to cut these. I'm using a scale. You can use a back of a fork, use a cookie cutter. You can use a Play-Doh knife. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with the circles. So for the circles, you can make the half like this. In the middle, just cut it down like this. Or you can do it like this.
Okay.
And you can also do a diagonal line as long as it's equal.
Okay.
I'm going to do the middle. Fourths. There's many ways to do fourths. So I'm going to start. So for the rectangles, you can do many ways. Or I'll do it like this.
Okay.
Like a diagonal. So now I am going to do the simple one, the fourth. I think this should be it. Bye.